everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a deep dive review of 11 Labs, the AI text-to-speech tool that's creating a lot of buzz in 2025. If you're looking to create YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or just curious about how advanced AI voices have become, this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tech reviews. So, what makes 11 Labs stand out in 2025? First off, the voice quality is truly impressive. It produces natural, human-like speech with smooth inflection, realistic rhythm, and emotion in tone. Whether you're narrating a story, doing an explainer video, or recording a podcast script, the result is remarkably lifelike. You get professional quality audio without needing to hire a voice actor. Another major feature is versatility. 11 Labs offers a wide variety of voices, accents, and languages. You can even create a custom voice clone, allowing you to maintain a consistent narrator for all your content. This is perfect for creators producing long-form content, multilingual projects, or anyone who wants high-quality narration without recording each session manually. Of course, no tool is perfect. Some users note that long videos or frequent use can get expensive if you go beyond the free tier. Occasionally, complex phrases may not sound perfect, and you might need to regenerate or adjust the audio slightly. Despite these minor issues, the efficiency, expressiveness, and realism make 11 Labs a favorite for many content creators. So, who is this tool best suited for? If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, educator, or storyteller producing frequent, high-quality content, 11 Labs is one of the most powerful AI text-to-speech tools available today. For casual users who only need occasional voiceovers, the free version is a great place to start, but the full potential shines for consistent creators. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with anyone curious about AI voices, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Dive in, explore 11 Labs, and see how AI can elevate your content like never before.